Great tips for international travel. Are you ready to explore the world? Step 1. Get your passport and visas sorted. Don't miss out due to paperwork. Next, research your destination. Learn local customs, language basics, and safety tips. Be a respectful visitor. Pack smart. It's not just about clothes. Remember adapters, medication, and essential documents. Travel light, but prepared. Money matters. Understand the currency and have a backup plan. Not all places accept cards, so carry some cash. Stay connected. Apps, maps, and translation tools can be lifesavers. Embrace technology for a smoother journey. Happy travels!